Hi friends, welcome to the channel where we dive into the world of wheels and tell you about the latest developments in the automotive sector. Today we're going to touch on a hot topic that's been on everyone's lips for a while now. The 2025 VW Amarok digital redesign, a move that could potentially break the spell and bring this beauty to US shores. Go back to 2019, when Ford and Volkswagen formed an alliance aimed at revolutionizing the commercial vehicle industry. It was obvious from the start that they aimed to dominate the midsize pickup truck segment, and oh wonder, they made waves. In November 2021 and summer 2022, we finally saw the fruits of their labor. A second T6-based Ford Ranger and the long-awaited VW Amarok Mk2. By sharing an updated platform, these siblings are set to rewrite the rules of the game, with assembly lines even intertwined at Ford's Silverton's South African plant in Pretoria. While the Ranger boasts a lineup of 2.0 and 3.0-liter diesel engines, not to mention the formidable 2.3-liter EcoBoost and monstrous 3.0-liter EcoBoost V6, the Amarok holds its own with the 2.3-liter TSI and 2.0 and 3.0-liter TDI powertrains. Still, here's where the plot thickens. The Amarok faces an uphill battle without an SUV counterpart and, alas, without access to the vast U.S. midsize pickup market. While Ford is ramping up production of the Ranger for North American enthusiasts, Volkswagen's pickup truck ambitions hang in the balance. The supposed revival of electric scout vehicles adds another layer of uncertainty, leaving enthusiasts waiting for clarity on who will take the reins. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel now and join the Corinthos family. For more information and entertainment, click on the bell to receive new video updates. Let's continue. Enter the digital realm, where creativity knows no bounds. Our resident digital vehicle artist of our YouTube channel offers a tantalizing glimpse into the potential future of the redesigned 2025-2026 Amarok. Armed with pixels and passion, he creates a vision of an Amarok that knows no boundaries, with a range of models and packages, from the rugged Panamericana to the sleek Sport line to the menacing Black Edition. Before you get too carried away, remember to take these virtual dreams with a pinch of salt. While our digital wizardry works its magic, Volkswagen has yet to officially agree to any of these concepts. But in the realm of imagination and innovation, anything is possible. So fasten your seatbelts, hit the subscribe button, and join us on this exciting journey through the digital frontier of automotive design. Until next time, stay curious and keep the dream alive. Bye.